Hey guys, Lane over here with RV Wholesalers. We're going to do another walkthrough here for you on the Forest River Sandpiper 403RD park trailer. Wanted to show you the inside, outside of the unit and go through some specs here with you. Looking at the dry weight of this unit, you're looking at 11,009 pounds, a GVWR of 13,268 pounds, giving you a total cargo carrying capacity of 2,259 pounds. Hitch weight on this unit is 1,268 pounds, and the axle weight is 6,000 pounds apiece. Exterior height is going to be 13 foot 4 inches. Exterior length from tip to tip is 39 foot on the dot. You are looking at an exterior width of 8 foot as well. Now for your capacities for your water, you are looking at 50 gallons for your fresh water, 52 gallons for your black water, 104 gallons for your gray water, and a total awning size of 20 foot. Hey guys, Lane here again with RV Wholesalers. Again, we're going to be doing this walkthrough video on the Sandpiper 403RD. Appreciate y'all taking the time to check us out, check out this beautiful unit. I'll point out some of the features, but most importantly, do us a favor, like and subscribe as far as our Facebook page goes, our YouTube page. Totally can't do this without you guys, so we appreciate everything you do for us as far as that goes, all right? Now, getting to the camper, again, this is the Sandpiper Park model. You'll see how tall this thing is, how aerodynamic it isn't. Again, it's meant to go to one place, stay in that place, move once or twice a year as far as getting it on, and then maybe putting it in storage if your campsite doesn't allow for you to store it there. Completely up to your campsite and what they do and don't permit, all right? So as far as outside goes, all right, it's kind of swinging down the way. We've got manual stabilizer jacks on this unit. A lot of people are putting these guys up on cinder blocks or cement blocks. It's completely up to what you guys prefer, but if you do want to use the stabilizer jacks that Sandpiper provides, please feel free to do so, obviously. Out here we have the entertainment with our 2 speakers, our hookup for TV, all being set up right here for you guys, all right? Going to be real nice features for the outside. Now, outside, we have actually 2 sliding glass doors on this one, okay? So most park models, they have 2 doors, but one of them is not a sliding glass, the other one is. This particular unit has 2 sliding glass doors and a big 20-foot awning that goes over this entire setup, okay? LED lights going underneath it as well, all right? On this side over here is gonna be where your other sliding glass door is. So you got, again, one going into the kitchen, one coming into the living room. Either way you go, it's going to be perfectly fine for you guys. All right? But yeah, that's how I'm going to wrap it up as far as the outside of the camper goes, guys. Let's go take a peek inside. Hey guys, now we're on the inside again of that Sandpiper 403RD, showing the inside of the unit, okay? Now, where we're standing at right now is in between the both ends of the camper, all right? You got the rear den behind us. We've got the bedroom, bathroom back here on the other side. But I wanted to start in some of the coolest looking features on the camper, all right? Inside this kitchen, okay, guys, you'll notice that it is completely, I mean, it just looks good, right? So we have the countertops, solid surface countertops. We've got the cabinet is solid cabinetry as far as the hardwood cabinetry, crown molding throughout. And then as far as your cooktop area and your cooking station, everything is residential. So we have a residential microwave, residential cooktop, residential oven, and last but not least, that big residential refrigerator. Okay, so tons of room on the inside. As far as that goes, freezer on the bottom, French door up top. And we've got plenty of storage countertop over here as well, as far as like coffee bars or whatever it may be. Completely up to you guys. Liking the setup over here, the barn style, 4 chairs, freestanding chairs, as well as the table as well. Night roller shades kind of going through this too. All right. Now we're going to kind of swing around this way, and we're going to actually check out how this is all laid out, open style. Everything can be walked from one point to the other, but still giving you a little bit of separation. So you have a pretty clear distinction of where the living room starts, where the kitchen starts, and things along those lines, all right? So all of the different separations, all right? Now, showing the entertainment center, okay? Big fireplace is putting off a little heat for us here today. That's how we're out here in short sleeves. It's a little chilly. And then also you have your sound bar. Again, this sound bar is going to be the exact same sound bar that's controlling those outside speakers that I showed you earlier. Your big TV that goes in here, okay? If you did want to replace this TV and wanted to go a little bigger, you obviously got room to do so, but they do put this particular TV in the unit. So again, if you guys want to go bigger, hey, all the power to you. You got the room to do it, all right? Storage across the top, glass inserts. You got your bar that goes across the bottom for your different storages. Charging stations and also outlets on both sides. As far as our couches go, both of these are going to be tri-fold couches, all right? So these will fold out to each other. You'll have about 6 inches between the two of them that you can walk through. And then we also have storage above each of them, all right? And finally, last but not least, the beautiful recliners, okay? This is going to be your theater seating. These guys will recline out. They do light up as well. Again, that's kind of one feature, but they are ripcord. They are not automatic as far as these goes. Let's go take a look at the other side, guys. All right, guys, now we are in the bathroom here. You're gonna see this beautiful unit has a huge shower, plenty of counter space, as well as a lot of storage in here as well. All right. Another cool thing too that you don't have to worry about is touching the top of the ceiling when you're taking a shower, okay? This is a big park model. Ceilings are super tall, so you won't have to worry about that when it comes to the height of the shower, all right? Swinging around a little bit farther, you will notice a little bit extra storage in here too. As far as the extra storage, we've got the towel rack as well as the storage, and then also a full porcelain toilet too. So cool features in there as far as that goes. Let's take a look at the bedroom now. All right, guys, now we're inside the master bedroom, all right? You're gonna notice this entire slide is 100% storage, okay? You got mirrors that are on them. As far as the exterior goes, you got shelving on this particular one, and then these final 4 are completely open, all right? So very neat setup as far as tons of storage, okay? Charging stations on both sides as far as your outlets, tables on each side. Your bed goes this way, so it's a full walk around bed. We've got storage up top. And finally, we also got a cool fan on the inside of this as well, as this one has 2 ACs, so you'll have the AC directly above it, all right? Now, as far as this setup over here goes, okay, as you guys swing around, you're gonna notice that this is gonna be where your washer and dryer goes, all right? It does have a barn-style sliding door. Your washer and dryer stackable can go here, and then plenty of storage up top here for any extra additional storage that you guys may need here in the master. All right, guys, and that's pretty well going to wrap it up here for us here today on this walkthrough video. Feel free to check out the other videos that we have on our website. We've got a ton of different options for you guys, but on this particular unit, as you can tell, is absolutely beautiful. If you have any questions whatsoever, feel free to give us a call. Number over here is going to be 937-843-2074. We'll be happy to help.